Okay, so I just wanted to quickly talk about carbohydrates, as recently they've been made to feel like they're bad for you, or we shouldn't have them, or we should just totally limit carbs. But carbs are they play such a huge important role in hormone regulation for the body. So hormones are chemical messengers that regulate various bodily functions like metabolism, mood, energy levels. And so here are some things as far as from a hormone standpoint, not even everything else. I'm just going to talk about hormones and why carbs are good for managing your hormones. Obviously, it depends on the type of carbs, your training, with like specific amounts that you should have. But the first one is just insulin regulation. Carbs help regulate insulin, which is basically just a hormone produced by the pancreas that regulates blood sugar levels. And when you eat carbs, your body breaks them down into glucose, which triggers the release of insulin. So insulin helps transport glucose from the bloodstream into your cells, where it can be used for energy. And without enough carbs, insulin levels can become imbalanced, which then can just lead to blood sugar fluctuations as well as what's known as insulin resistance. Play a role in thyroid function, which is important for metabolism regulation. The thyroid gland produces hormones that regulate metabolism, body temperature, energy levels, and low-carb diets have been linked to decreased thyroid function and metabolic rate, which can just lead to weight gain and other health issues. It's just serotonin production, so carbs can also boost serotonin production in the brain. So serotonin is a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood, appetite, sleep, and low-carb diets have been linked to decreased serotonin levels, which can just lead to mood swings, anxiety, depression. And then there's leptin and ghrelin regulation. So carbs also affect the hormones leptin and ghrelin, which just regulate hunger and appetite. So leptin is produced by fat cells and signals the brain that you're full, while ghrelin is produced in the stomach and signals hunger. And low-carb diets have been linked to increased ghrelin levels and decreased leptin levels, which can just lead to some overeating as well as some weight gain and then even more hunger. So